Upon receiving your kit in the mail, check to ensure you have the following contents: stool catcher, return box, sample tube, sampling swab, and return mailer bag. Keep all contents in the box. Wait until you are ready to pass a stool and bring the entire kit into the restroom. Set up contents in a convenient spot next to your toilet. Start by unpacking the stool catcher. Pull tab located at the top of the catcher and remove the catcher and its instructions. Unfold the catcher. Create space in between the sheets and prepare to place it on the toilet's lid. Secure the catcher in the center of the toilet's lid. Press down gently to create room. Next, grab the sample swab and remove the swab by pulling the tab on the top, marked with the arrow. Pull the swab out and place down nearby. Take the sample tube with your 6-digit code on it and unscrew the cap. Set the tube and its cap in a secure area. Pass stool into the catcher. Take the swab and collect enough sample to cover half the cotton tip. Place swab with sample on it into the tube tip down. Stir gently. Break the swab on the notch, leaving the tip in the tube, and discard the other half of the swab. Secure the sample tube cap by screwing it on, ensuring no tilts, and gently shake. Ensure no leaks. Visit the client portal page on our website or the URL displayed. Log in or create an account and enter the 6-digit code on the sample tube to register your kit. Grab your return box with the absorbent bag inside. Remove absorbent bag and place sample tube inside. Close absorbent bag and place into return box. Shut the return box. Tear sides of the catcher and lift seat to allow catcher to fall. Wait until catcher is saturated and then flush the catcher. Wash hands thoroughly. Locate your small return bag with the prepaid shipping label. Place return box with the sample inside into the return bag. Pull tab at the top of the return bag and seal it tightly. Drop return bag into your mailbox or any USPS blue box. Visit the client portal and track status and view your report.